Oh man,
There
how we
he
doing,
is.
guys? Hey, Destination Daytona, year 2024. Okay, guys, if you missed it this year, make sure you guys are here. It's the same weekend every year. Next year is going to be Martin Luther King weekend. We're here at Destination Daytona, Eastbound Getdown. Don't miss it, because if you missed out this year, you missed a hell of a show. And I definitely want to thank my man for coming out and always supporting us and putting out these awesome ass videos. Thank you, Jim. We appreciate you, brother.
We appreciate you, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Make sure
Awesome show like usual.
make sure you guys go out and check out Racers and Rods, baby. Check them out. Check them out.
Appreciate it, Mike.
Thank you, brother.
Mike the mayor.
Hey,
he's the man. He's
appreciate
running
you
the
guys.
show here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
Good morning.
I'm Liz. This is my 1968 Volkswagen Bug. I bought it back in March from a nice couple in Georgia. It had been living down in a holler. Gave it some love. We've done a full interior on it, rewiring, paint correction. I have a whole bucket list of things that I want to do to it next, but we're happy to be here. I've done
So this is the color it was, and you just did paint correction.
Yes,
you haven't
sir.
painted it or anything.
We have not painted
just interior.
it. Yep, it's gone through 2 paint correction processes.
Oh, wow.
We did a full interior on it. Trimmed out the trunk.